So this morning's project is this MGB front wing. I've got to replace this lower section here. As you can see, I think this is from Moss. It's a heritage panel, so fitment should hopefully be quite good. The original piece isn't in great shape. It's had a small repair section done on it. I'm not happy with it. It needs to be spot on. So this video basically be showing you how to do that. So as you can see, I've now removed the lower part of this front wing. The basic tools you'll need is an 8mm spot weld drill. As you can see there, it's a flat tipped drill. There's 3 spot welds here, here and here that you need to remove from the back of the panel. A wire wheel and a grinder, careful with these, they are quite aggressive. I use this just to clean up where I'm going, just to see what I'm doing. And a 1mm cutting disc. They're by far the best tool for the job. Really clean cut, perfect for this sort of thing. Next job is to clean up the remaining part of the wing, just to remove that, test fit the new one, and I'll go from there. So I've now cleaned up these areas. I use the wire wheel on the grinder and the backing disc. They're ideal for cleaning up, ready for welding. I've also zinc coated this area here, gives good rust protection as I'm not going to be able to get into it after the new panel is fitted. It needs all the rust protection it can get really. Although technically it shouldn't get any water driving in there because there's a splash panel here. It inevitably will, so the more the merrier really. So next job is, I need to drill spot welds in along the top of this, clean it up, get rid of this E-coat, and just this surface here. I will do the rest eventually when the inside of the wing is painted, but not right now. And then begin test fitting. After a fair bit of wrestling, I've managed to get this lower repair panel pretty much in position now, ready for welding. I've put spot weld holes along the top of the new panel, ready to fix to the old panel. Must remember to spot weld down that back edge as well, just like the original one. So next job, weld it up. basically complete now. I've got to fold this lip round here after I've ground these spot welds back down, and then a tiny little piece of welding here. That's the welding complete. I also put, there's a small angle piece that goes in just behind the wheel arch lip that usually is either missing, rots away, you know, that sort of general thing. I've replaced that and seam welded that in, so that will give the wing the strength it needs. So there we go, that's the front wing low repair panel removed and replaced in the morning. I'll just quickly show you now at the back of the wing how I've welded it, the bits that I've folded over, I've put a bit of sealer in here and there, and I'll show you that up close. So here we go, it's the back of the panel. This is a piece that I folded over. I put a bead of sealer just in the very corner before I folded it over. You can see it's squished out there. That just stops the moisture from getting in there. See the spot welds there to the old panel, and just here is that small angle piece that I was telling you about. It just gives it all a bit more strength there. They do tend to split there, so it is needed. There's the original one there, you can see. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it's helped anyone who's thinking about taking this little project on. There'll be more. So remember to like, share and subscribe to my page. There'll be new videos as and when I can. Hope you enjoyed it.